Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start control statement in Python programming language. Before we start, you should understand what is needed to learn control statement in any programming language. First, consider this diagram. This is, as you see, it is a flow of any program. So whatever program we have made earlier was executing in this manner only. This box you can assume that this is another statement and so we can have as much as we can write statements in a program. But there is no any jumping or there is no any reverse or forward jumping in our program. This is very simple. This statement will execute one after. But in control statement, what happens actually? We have statement, but we also have a condition that is denoted by a diamond box. So here it is a condition. Now, once you write a condition in a diagram, we have to show its flow like true and false because there are only two values that may happen when we put a condition. So now what will happen? The condition becomes true, the statement will be executed, and it's up to programmer that whether write a false statement. I mean whether if the condition become false, whether you have to write something or not. If you write something over here, something will happen. If you don't write over here, this exit from the program. So this is how the condition works in a program. So this is what we are going to learn today. By the way, if you consider this one more time, condition, true statement and false, no, nothing to do. This is a flowchart of this statement in any programming language. As you heard correctly, whether it is C programming, C++, Java or Python, it is the same flowchart for each and every programming language. You're considering the if statement. Now, the next question is how we can write this particular algorithm or procedure in any programming language. That's another question. So, in Python programming language, you just have to write the if keyword like this, followed by the condition. For example, I'm writing here a is greater than 10. This is a condition, and then you have to put here a colon sign. When you will hit enter button from here, the cursor will move towards this place, and from here you have to write your statement that you want to execute. Suppose if you wish to print the value of a, just write here print. So this is how you can write statements in a Python programming language. Let's consider the next example. Suppose we have to find out which number is larger in a program. I'm just giving here a is equals to 5, b is equals to 6. So for checking this, just put here a greater than b. You can say print a is bigger. Another if statement that is optional for if statement is else. When you put else, it is a part of the false. When we were looking at the flowchart, the condition become false and this else part is going to be executed. So just you can print here b is larger. Now if I run this program, so You can see here the output, the B is larger, is printed on your screen. What will happen if I provide the same numbers to the variables? That means A5 and B5. It will print B is larger because we have given condition if A is greater than B. So A is big, and again if the condition become false, it is printing B is larger. So A is not greater than B because both are equal. So since this condition is false, is giving the message. So this is not the problem of our program. It is not the problem of our syntax of our writing. It is a problem in our logic. We are checking, we are giving input incorrectly actually. But what will happen? Actually, this is our condition. If you have to provide the same number, then it must shows the same. It must show the correct message, like A and B are equal. So for this we have a third part of if else, that is known as else if, but the keyword for else if is elif. So with else if you have to put another condition here, like A is equals to B. You can check like this. No need to put double equal to sign, just one equal to sign and then place a colon. You can write your message here, print here both are equal, both are equals, and close this button. Now file the program. You will see the output that is asking to put 2 equal to sign. Now here you can see both are equal is printed. So this is how you can use if statement in a Python programming language. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to share or subscribe.